Hi, Brett Curry from Richland Community College Engineering Tech Instructor here. This summer we are doing a professional development for the Technology Education Association of Illinois, where we are going to be using our 3-axis CNC machines, our lathes, and our mills to basically come up with a project known as a Scotch Yoke. So this, of course, is a rough prototype, 3D printed of some of the parts just to prove out the concept. Still working on a little bit of the details. But as you go, so we will be turning some of the component parts that go into this. We will also be taking some interesting material here where we'll be taking it from the block to a first and second operation to machine the crank housing that goes into this. Of course, the yoke and some of the other component parts as well, using our milling machines and our lathes and our 3- and 4-axis machining centers. So, and of course, all of this will be tying in, taking the measurements on all these parts to prove out the size. So what you will get if you attend this professional development is working prints and drawings. We can offer to you these particular component parts and just some general ideas on how to incorporate this particular project into any of the classes that you have for your CNC machines or just manufacturing processes in general. So hope to see you. The professional development is here at Richland Community College on June 30th from 10 to 2. I do hope to see you at that point.